Crimean telegram channels report that Saki-Yevpatoria road has been closed off. There is a large fire in the Saki Airfield area. Locals reported explosions this morning. Seems Russian air defense can't hit any of Ukraine's new longer-range ATAK-EMS. Fresh strikes this morning likely finishing off the remaining aircraft at Saki Airbase in Crimea. The base has been targeted several times in the past, when Ukrainian missiles caused enormous damage and destroyed a huge number of planes and helicopters that were stationed there. Now it seems that Ukrainian strategy is focused on destroying Russian air defenses, which indicates that the ground is being prepared for something big. They say that it's very difficult to burn a T-90. This is the 6th T-90 breakthrough on this Ukrainian unit account. All 6 were stopped while moving, 2 of them with instantaneous detonation, 2 were burned during a second strike, and 2 failed to burn. They mean detonation. In this case, Ukrainian kamikaze drone hit the engine compartment, stopping the tank. One of the adjacent units hit the top of the turret, damaging the tank's guidance optics. Then several friendly units tried to set fire to the tank, but it didn't work. The unit got tired of watching this, and one of the pilots decided to show a master class, hitting clearly between the turret and the hull of the tank. The strike drones company of the 47th Separate Mechanized Brigade, Magura. A Russian 2S-1 Gvozdika is destroyed by the 47th Mechanized Brigade. Ivan, how long to Kiev? 3 days. All right, let's go. Comedy Gold. Just as I said, Putin will try to convince anyone who will listen that he is ready for negotiations and peace. The only peace Russia wants is to have the opportunity to prepare for a larger-scale war. Even Lukashenko is laughing while listening to this.
Что касается переговорного процесса, я много раз об этом говорил, хочу и здесь, в Минске, еще раз это подчеркнуть. Россия никогда от этих переговоров не отказывалась.
Russia dropped a glide bomb on the crowded shopping center in the middle of the day on Saturday. In Kharkiv, the epicenter shopping center was hit. This is a hardware store. It was full of people when Russia attacked it. Russia is a terrorist state. Russia hit the center deliberately on the weekday when lots of civilians are inside. 2 people confirmed killed, large number of people is missing and many are wounded. It's estimated that 200 people were inside the moment of the attack. All the emergency services are already on the site and providing assistance, rescuing people, and extinguishing the fire that has completely engulfed the building, 10,000 square meters. There are killed and injured people. If Ukraine had sufficient air defense systems and modern combat aircraft, Russian strikes like this one would have been impossible. And that is why we appeal to all leaders, to all states. We need a significant enhancement of air defense and sufficient capabilities to destroy Russian terrorists. This is a task that must be accomplished and can only be accomplished together with the world. Every day, we call on the world to provide us with air defense and to save our people. Every unmade decision to support us results in the loss of our people. And for the end, a MIAM-104 Patriot PAC-2 surface-to-air missile battery with the Taiwan Air Force on high alert due to the ongoing combat exercise Joint Sword 2024 by the Chinese People's Liberation Army around the island of Taiwan and in the Taiwan Strait. Joint Sword Day. 2. China continued military exercises around Taiwan to test the ability to seize key points and carry out joint strikes. 62 PLA aircraft detected and 47 entered Taiwan's ADIAs, one of the highest daily totals on record. 27 planned warships are the most ever tracked in a single day. Chinese ships and planes came as close as ever. Coast Guard conducts law enforcement patrols and drills east of the island. The video shows a simulated attack and strikes on multiple Taiwanese cities.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.